So these will be the supplies to make this adorable DIY. You're going to need some wire LED lights, of course batteries for them. What are they calling these? The Crafter Square? Yeah, the Crafter Square wooden letters. I got 2 packs just to make sure I have enough for what I want to spell. Some bows. You're going to need one of these plaques. It's snow globe. I think there's one of Santa and one of a snowman. It doesn't matter. We're going to need some acrylic paint of your color. I'm doing red and I'm doing black. So that's it. That's all you need to make this adorable DIY. So without further ado, let's get into this. So my thoughts for this, even though it looks like a snow globe, if you turn it this way, to me, it looks like a Christmas light. So what I'm going to do is use the back side of this to make my plaque. So this will be the top of the light and this will be the light portion. So I'm going to be painting this part black and this part red because I want a red light bulb, if you will. So I'm just going to remove the sticker and remove the tag off of the tip, and I'm going to get busy painting. So while my bulb, Christmas light bulb, is drying, I'm going to get out my wood letters and I'm going to be spelling out the Reynolds house is lit. I think that is so cute. Get it? Because Christmas bulbs, Christmas light bulbs are lit. Get it? I don't know. I'm all about the puns. I think it's adorable. I get it. So Reynolds is my last name, so it's going to be the Reynolds house is lit. So that's what I'm going to be spelling out with my wood letters, and I'm going to be painting them black. So while that's drying, I'm going to get busy painting these. So I think this is what I'm going to have to go with. I wanted Reynolds to be arched like houses, but our name won't fit. So if you have a shorter name, that will work, but our name won't. So I think I'm going to have to stagger it. I was going to put the Reynolds house is lit, but I don't like the extra words up here. It's too much. So I think this is what I'm going to go with. And this is not a mistake. This is the way I want it because I want it to sound like slang is lit, you know. So I think this is what I'm going to go with. I already put batteries in the fairy lights. So the fairy lights are going to wrap up in here. And then my other intention was to have fairy lights wrapped down here, down at the bottom of the light bulb. I'll have to see. I'm not sure if that's still gonna go or not because of how low I had to bring the letters. I was hoping lit was gonna be up here where is, but we gotta make do. It is what it is. Like, you know, I didn't think about my name being that big and these letters being that big. So if I had to redo this again, but I'm not running back out to the dollar store and making this work what it is, but if I had to do this again without realizing how big the letters were going to be on here, I would have just picked up the Dollar Tree's black letter stickers, much smaller, and then I could have put Reynolds House is lit in an arch the way I wanted it. But I really thought the wood letters would bring a nice, like, little like farmhouse feel to it. But you live and you learn, and I'm gonna make this work. And then after I get all of this glued down, we'll put on the finishing touches. Oh, and before I forget, I got a white chalk marker. I'm gonna bring some color up in here to make this look like a bulb. So now I'm just going to take this chalk marker. I don't even know where I got it. I've had it forever. But I'm just going to take it and draw some lines, you know, so it looks like galvanized, so to speak. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and just put some highlights on the bulb part because it's supposed to look like it's glowing. And then I also was thinking about, so that the letters aren't so stark, taking this as well and just putting some like white marks on little random spots to make it look like it's reflected. So that's what I'm going to do at this moment. And then we will add our lights and we will add our bow. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my fairy lights. Let me turn them on so you guys can see them. Hold on. There you go, now you can see them. So what I'm going to do is I have 2 packs. So I'm going to take my fairy lights and wrap them all around in here at the top. And then I'm going to take the box and I'm going to hot glue this side onto the back so that I can, this side onto the back so that the screw side is always available in case I need to change out the batteries. So I'll glue that to the back of this, and then I think I am going to use the second set and wrap it down here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll wrap it and then I'll glue the battery pack on the back side of this. And then we're going to attach the bow and we'll be ready to go. Okay guys, I really like how it's starting to look. So the next step, I'm going to take one of these Dollar Tree gold bows. I'm going to take it outside first and spray it with hairspray because the glitter fallout is ridiculous. And then I'm going to use some hot glue and attach it up here. I was going to attach it down here, but it covers up the letters, so I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to put a piece of string on the back so I'm able to hang it. And while I'm fooling around with the jute to, you know, make a little hanger up here so that I'm able to hang this, I'm thinking a little jute bow might end up right here. But we'll see. I'm kind of digging the way it looks right now, but we'll see how it goes. But I think it's coming together pretty nice. So let me get my bow attached and let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I added the hanging part, and when I was playing around with it, I pulled out a really pretty sprig with some gold on it from, of course, the Dollar Tree. And I was going to put some of like this sprig down here, but I have to tell you, ooh, my camera don't want to focus. Sorry about that, guys. So I was going to put some greenery on here, but I have to tell you, I didn't like the green. The green, ew, I didn't like it. But it needed something up in here. So some good old Dollar Tree jute, jute twine. I wrap that around the top and it gives it nice, like a nice little farmhouse look. So the last thing to do, guys, is get this hung up and show you what it looks like hung. But I so far am really liking it. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. May your Christmas be lit. Always do what you love, take care of you, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.